guys, welcome to Many August. This is Pooja, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a day in my life surgery placement edition. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to Many August. This is Pooja. So I'm currently placed in surgery, and not every day we are taken into OT. So today we were said that we will be taken into OT. So like always, I went to take breakfast at 9 a.m. and I went to the ward and found out that we are going to the OT, and I didn't carry OT dress with me, so I came to the hostel to get dressed. So I'm now in my OT outfit, and I decided I'll just wear my OT dress and go. So this is where I keep my OT dress. It's so easy to keep OT dress and just dump to shower when I have to. So yeah, and I also need to take shoes, so I'm gonna take the shoe for OT because students carry their own shoes for OT, so that's how it is. And yeah, I'm on my way to go see OT. So yeah. So this is the entrance of OT complex. From there are 2 to 3 OT rooms, and this is where we get dressed. This is Nibi, and after getting dressed we enter to the OT room, and cholecystectomy was happening laparoscopically, so that was the camera view. This is the OT light, and after the gallbladder was removed, we opened it out to see the stone, to show the patient party that okay, this is a stone, and it was also demonstrated to us. So these are all the instruments that were used, and ma'am is opening the gallbladder to see if there is any stone, or like how big the stone is, or how many stones are there, because it's kind of mandatory to show it to the patient party. The gallbladder was very thick and fibrous, so it was difficult to open it. That's why it's taking a lot of time. And when we opened up, we found out this the stone was literally stuck to the gallbladder, and it was such a big sized stone. So cholecystectomy means that we are removing gallbladder. Ectomy basically means removal, so here we are saying cholecystectomy, so it means we are removing gallbladder because there's a stone in it. So here we are doing we did a laparoscopic procedure. So in laparoscopic procedure, what we do is we make pots, and from that pot we have a camera introduced, and from that camera we can actually view what's going on inside, and then we can actually remove the gallbladder. So that's what's been done here. We actually made 4 pots. So here we made 2 10mm pots and 2 5mm pots, and camera is introduced in one of the 10mm pots around the umbilical region. So here ma'am is teaching us how to put gloves or wear gloves without breaking the sterilization. So when we get gloves, it is sterilized with ethylene oxide. So the package basically contains ethylene oxide. So ma'am is basically demonstrating us how to wear a glove without breaking the sterilization. So she's basically saying that you need to have glove to glove and hand to hand contact. So with her naked hand, she's using the inner fold of the glove which she is wearing, which is folded, because that folded part is going to go inside the hand, right? Not it will not remain in the glove itself, right? And then when she is wearing in her right hand with the glove, she is using the inner fold, like inner part of the folded one, because it's going to be outside. So it's basically the glove to glove contact. So she explained us very nicely, and she told us like first introduce 4 of your fingers first, and then you can insert your thumb. And it was such an easy and very nice demonstration by our ma'am. And after that she asked us that you know, even you can do this demonstration. And I was like, before this, like 2 of the boys had already done the demonstration, so I requested ma'am that I would love to do a demonstration, and one of my friend had taken this video of me demonstrating, so you can see what's going on. কালকে আমাদের ট্রাই করতে হবে কি গ্লাসে যেন টাচ না লাগে, তাহলে আমরা এই যে এইভাবে খুলবো, খুলে এই যে এখন তো খুলে ফেললাম, এখন খুলে ফেললাম। এখন তুমি এই যে এইভাবে একদম সাজানো আছে, দেখছো? এইভাবে দেখো এখানে ভেতরে এই যে সাজানো আছে না, দিস ওয়ান ইজ ফর রাইট হ্যান্ড এন্ড দিস ওয়ান ইজ ফর লেফট হ্যান্ড। এখন তোমাকে গ্লাস করতে হবে, বড় রাইট হ্যান্ড দিয়ে সুবিধা হবে, যেটা যে কোনো একটা, তো তোমার যেটা সুবিধা হবে। আগে হ্যাঁ চারটা ফিঙ্গার, হ্যাঁ ওর জন্য বড়, ওর জন্য আসলে 6 and half ম্যাম। কি লাগবে করবো আর কি করবো? এখন ডেমো করবো কিভাবে, ডেমো করো। হ্যাঁ গ্লাস টু গ্লাস, হাতে নিয়ে থাকো, এটা তো একটু ভালো ম্যাম। হ্যাঁ এই খুলে We requested ma'am to take a night ward in the afternoon, and she agreed, so we were waiting for her. And at that very moment we saw a kid that died in pediatric department today, taken home. It was such an emotional moment. After the class was over, I had a delivery, so I took that delivery of ramen to eat in the hostel, and I went to the hostel. So this is me on the way to hostel. After coming back, I made ramen and ate the mango given by my roommate, and this was the ramen that I ordered.